In this quick tutorial, I show you how to check and edit invoices in Jotform, perfect for beginners or anyone managing client forms and payments. Start by opening your browser and visiting jotform.com. Log into your account using your email or sign up if you're new. It only takes a minute. Once you're in, head over to your submissions table. This is where all your form responses are stored and organized. Find the form connected to your invoices and click the three dots beside its name. From the drop-down, choose View Form to see how it appears to users, or select Edit Form to make changes. You can also access these options from the panel on the right-hand side. If you want to review an invoice, open the submission linked to that form. You will see all client details, payment data, and automatically generated invoices. To make edits, simply click Edit Entry or adjust the fields directly in the form builder. Inside the form builder, you can tweak questions, add new sections, or modify invoice settings under the Payments or Settings tabs. When you're done, hit Save. Jotform automatically updates everything in real time. And that's it. You've just learned how to check and edit invoices in Jotform with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tutorials every week.